na. No. Gumamit sila ng proxy. Kasi hindi nga sila pwedeng magkasagapaan dahil ubos ang mga cities nila because it's going to be a nuclear war kung sila mismo. So gagawin ang mangyayari, proxy. So sino ang proxy sa Europe? Ukraine. Sino ngayon ang proxy sa ating region? It's going to be the Philippines. Nakikita nyo na, di ba? Pinakita ko sa inyo yung nangyari sa Ukraine. Di ba? Kung anong unang mga ginagawa nila. At nakita nyo yung report ng National Endowment for Democracy na isang CIA funded. Sino yung target nila? Hindi ba? So yun, friends, ang larger picture. This is beyond just what you are seeing. Okay? Hindi na to hindi na to hindi nyo to madadaan sa pamimim lang, pa-hashtag lang. We are facing a very dangerous time. Dahil tayo ang bala. Oh, ngayon, sino yung mga gusto nilang tanggalin? Si Sara. Yung mga katulad kong vloggers. Lalo na ako kasi nga yung reach ko. Sino ngayon magdo-dominate sa Facebook? Boses nila. Magdo-dominate sa Facebook yung boses nila. At dahil nagdo-dominate yung kagustuhan nila, then it's very easy for them to sell the notion to the Filipino people that, hey, you need to be in the front lines. And yung mga nagsasabi si Donald Trump, 4 years lang pong presidente si Donald Trump. After Donald Trump, it's going to be a new president. Might not happen in his term. It might happen kung yung deep state sa US magkaroon na ng bagong favorite, or they can force Donald Trump to actually push the Philippines into a proxy site. Dahil nga, we are now moving to a different world order. Sinabi ko na yan ang tanong ko noon, di ba? Kay Bongbong sa Deep Probe. And and now I know what he might want to do. So, ang masasabi ko lang sa inyo, well, I will not shut up. No? Kaya pumunta kayo sa Substack. They might remove me from Facebook, etc. But I will not participate in their drama. I will just keep on writing. And I hope na i-share nyo rin. Pag-usapan ninyo mga magkakaibigan. I-share sa mga kaibigan nyo. I-share nyo sa Facebook ninyo. Go to Substack. Okay? Go there. Okay? Para doon nyo, sinasabi nyo, mag-open ko ulit ng Facebook. No, they will just keep on removing it. Kaya doon tayo sa Substack. Because diretso sa email ninyo or sa app ninyo, they wouldn't even know, then you can forward it to your friends via email. Pag-usapan ninyo. Okay? That is where I'm going to keep voicing out what needs to be voiced out. So hanggang nasa Facebook pa ako, doon muna ako. Pero we have to prepare. We have to prepare for the eventuality. Dahil malapit na ang impeachment ni Inday Sara. And then they would like to remove Duterte voices on Facebook because they would like to dominate Facebook. So again, go to Substack. Okay? Ito ang aking username. Screenshot nyo na kung kaya ninyo. Substack. So, ngayon, so ayun na nga. We're already going there. Sinabi ko na sa inyo, nilay down ko na ang mga step by step ba na mga pangyayari. And it's going to, kaya nga si Inday, sabi niya, sana may bansa pa tayo ng 2028. Malaman yung sinasabi niyang yon. So, do not take this as a joke. This is not funny. You have to take this seriously. Bahala kayo kung ayaw ninyo. Bahala kayo kung mag-last minute kayo. But I'm telling you, you have to study what happened in Ukraine. Fully study what happened there. So maraming salamat sa inyong mga patuloy na nagsusuporta. Paki-share ito. Yung mga nagko-content sa akin, huwag na kayong humingi ng paalam. Download this, recontent this, comment on this, etc. And we will keep on writing. And wala akong pakialam kung masaktan kayo. But the truth must be spoken. And alam ko yung laro ninyo. No, you cannot, hindi niyo ako mapapaikot. And that's why we have to have a backup plan. And that's where we're going to disseminate what needs to be disseminated so that you can no longer fool the Filipino people. Maraming salamat po at magandang hapon muli. Ito po uli si Stas Rogando Sasot. Until next time.